Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring, open your storage analyzer and identify the largest folders so you know where space is going. Once done, empty the trash and clear temporary caches to reclaim quick space. Next, remove or offload apps you no longer use. Prioritize items above 1 GB. Make sure to move media and archives to an external drive or cloud backup. This frees immediate space and gives you room to perform deeper clean steps without risk. Now focus on the middle work. Find duplicate files and similar photos because duplicates silently consume tens of % of your disk. Once identified, delete or consolidate them. You can also compress archives or convert files to more efficient formats to save space without losing access. Next, move cold data, old projects, raw footage to an external SSD or cloud archive tier, and verify checksums after transfer. This reduces live disk pressure and speeds up your system overall. Finish by preventing recurrence. Set up scheduled cleanups and storage alerts so you always keep about 10 to 15% free. If you need capacity long-term, add an external SSD, a NAS, or increase cloud storage. Choose based on speed versus cost and access patterns. Finally, automate backups and retention rules. If something goes wrong, space not reporting correctly, run disk repair and rescan for hidden or phantom files. Often a file system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.